The United Democratic Alliance, UDA, party's National Executive Committee has officially removed Cleophas Malala from his position as Secretary General. This decision was announced following a committee meeting held on Friday morning. Vice Chairperson Hassan Omar has been appointed to serve as the interim Secretary General. The committee's statement highlighted that the meeting was called at the request of its members to discuss recent events within the party and the country. The National Executive Committee was convened today through the request of the members of the committee to discuss, deliberate, and agree on the way forward based on the events of the last few days in the party, and fundamentally, the events of the last few weeks in our country, the statement read. In addition, the committee instructed the National Elections Board to proceed with necessary adjustments and continue the first phase of the grassroots elections across the remaining counties. The statement added, resultantly, the party will be implementing a raft of governing and administrative measures to accelerate its agenda and to set forth a distinctive path of inclusive, participative, and consultative organization. Earlier, there was confusion within the UDA party when Chairperson Cecily Mbere called for a National Executive Council meeting at the Hustler Plaza. Malala sought a court injunction to stop the meeting, proposing that it be postponed to the following Friday. Malala also had to address rumors circulating on social media that he had resigned as Secretary General. A letter allegedly authored by him suggested his resignation due to recent troubling developments. However, Malala denied these claims. The situation escalated when a group of UDA members, led by advocate Joe Kalende, arrived at the party's headquarters, Hustler Center, demanding Malala's removal and claiming to have installed a new Secretary General in his place. The events surrounding Malala's ouster have added to the ongoing turmoil within the UDA party.